What is the HELOC application process like? If you are curious about how to navigate the home equity line of credit application process, you are in the right spot. Let's break it down step by step. A home equity line of credit, often referred to as a HELOC, is a revolving credit line secured by the equity in your property. This type of financing is popular among real estate investors for funding new purchases or renovations. To start, you need to assess your home equity. This is the difference between your property's current market value and the outstanding balance on your mortgage. Most lenders requiring you to have at least 15% equity for primary residences and about 20% for investment properties. Next, lenders will evaluate your financial profile. This includes your credit score, debt-to-income ratio, and proof of income. For investment properties, lenders usually have stricter criteria. You will likely need a credit score between 700 and 720. Your debt-to-income ratio can be as high as 50% if you include rental income. For primary residences, the credit score requirement is lower, typically between 650 and 680, with a debt-to-income limit of around 43%. The application itself requires several documents. You will need to provide proof of income, details about the property, and personal financial information. For investment properties, lenders often requiring more thorough appraisals. This could mean in-person appraisals or even multiple appraisals, while primary residences may qualify with virtual appraisals. Another aspect to consider is cash reserves. Many lenders requiring you to have enough cash reserves to cover 6 months of payments for investment property HELOCs. This requirement is less common for primary residences. Once you submit your application, the approval process can take longer for investment property HELOCs. Expect it to take about 30 to 45 days compared to a quicker process for primary residences. After approval and closing, you will have access to a line of credit that you can draw from as needed. You will only pay interest on the amount you use. For real estate investors, understanding this application process is important. A HELOC can offer flexible and lower interest financing options for acquiring or improving properties. However, be prepared for stricter qualification standards and longer approval times. Having your financial documentation ready can make the process smoother. Using a HELOC wisely can help you fund further investments without selling assets or taking on higher cost loans.